Welcome back to Edutube's blockchain course. This is lecture 28 of module 6, and today we're diving into an exciting and essential topic: introduction to blockchain platforms. If you've ever wondered how decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts actually get built and run, you're in the right place. In this lecture, we'll explore what blockchain platforms are, why they matter, and how different platforms like Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain provide the foundation for a rapidly growing decentralized world, all without needing any technical coding skills. Imagine a smartphone operating system, like iOS or Android, that supports countless apps. Just as these systems offer the tools and environment for developers to create and run applications, blockchain platforms serve as the operating system for decentralized apps. They provide the underlying structure that enables these apps to function in a secure, transparent, and trustless environment. Today, we're going to break down these concepts in simple, everyday language, using relatable examples that make even complex ideas feel accessible. Understanding blockchain platforms. What is a blockchain platform? At its core, a blockchain platform is the underlying framework that allows developers to build and deploy decentralized applications. Think of it like the foundation of a building or the operating system on your smartphone. Just as an operating system provides the tools, security, and interface for apps to run smoothly, a blockchain platform offers the protocols, smart contracts, and network infrastructure needed for decentralized solutions. Consider your daily life. You use a smartphone to perform many tasks, from browsing the web to managing your finances. The smartphone itself doesn't do everything. It relies on the operating system and installed apps to function. Similarly, blockchain platforms do not perform all functions by themselves. Instead, they offer the environment where various decentralized applications can be built and operated. Ethereum. The pioneer and popular platform. Let's begin with Ethereum. Often referred to as the pioneer of blockchain platforms beyond Bitcoin, Ethereum revolutionized the world of decentralized applications by introducing smart contracts. Smart contracts are like self-executing agreements. Imagine them as digital vending machines that dispense products automatically once you insert the correct amount of money. To put it in daily life terms, picture Ethereum as a bustling marketplace or mall where a wide variety of stores or dApps thrive. Each store uses the mall's shared facilities, security, infrastructure, and rules to operate. Whether you're buying a product or using a service, you trust that the mall's infrastructure is reliable. In the same way, Ethereum provides a robust, secure, and versatile platform that supports everything from games and art marketplaces to financial services. Its flexibility and wide adoption have made Ethereum the go-to platform for many developers, much like how a popular mall becomes the preferred shopping destination in a city. Binance Smart Chain. Speed and efficiency. Next up is the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. While Ethereum is renowned for its robustness and versatility, Binance Smart Chain was designed with speed and efficiency in mind. If Ethereum is like a popular mall with lots of visitors and occasional crowds, then Binance Smart Chain is like a high-speed train service that gets you to your destination quickly and at a lower cost. In everyday terms, think of BSC as a bullet train system that prioritizes quick, efficient travel. For users and developers who need faster transaction times and lower fees, BSC offers an attractive alternative. It's like choosing between driving in rush-hour traffic or hopping on a fast, reliable train. Both will get you to your destination, but one offers a smoother, more efficient ride. Other notable blockchain platforms. While Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain are two of the most prominent platforms, the blockchain world is rich with diverse options. Other platforms, such as Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot, each bring unique features and approaches to solving common challenges like scalability, security, and decentralization. Think of these platforms like different brands of smartphones. Some might prioritize battery life, others camera quality, and some may offer a sleek design. Each platform is tailored to meet different needs and preferences. For example, Solana is known for its high throughput and low latency, making it ideal for applications that require rapid processing. Polkadot, on the other hand, is designed to enable different blockchains to work together, much like a universal remote that can control multiple devices. These options give developers and users the freedom to choose the platform that best aligns with their needs, whether it's speed, security, or interoperability. Why are blockchain platforms important? The backbone of decentralized technology blockchain platforms are crucial because they form the backbone of decentralized technology. They allow for the creation and execution of smart contracts, which are self-enforcing and transparent agreements. Imagine a community center where everyone has equal access and no single person is in charge. This is the essence of decentralization. A blockchain platform provides the rules and structure that ensure fairness, security, and transparency in every transaction, empowering developers and users. For developers, blockchain platforms offer a playground to innovate without needing to build everything from scratch. They provide pre-built components and protocols, much like how a smartphone operating system comes with built-in features, for example, GPS, camera, and messaging apps, that developers can leverage to create new applications. For users, these platforms mean more secure, trustworthy interactions. You don't have to worry about a central authority manipulating the system because the platform itself ensures that every transaction is verified by the community. Real-life analogies to illustrate the concept. Smartphone operating system. As mentioned earlier, just as your smartphone's OS supports various apps, blockchain platforms enable the creation and operation of decentralized applications. Whether you're ordering food or transferring money, the underlying system makes it all possible. Community center. Think of a blockchain platform as a community center where everyone gathers to share resources and ideas. There's no single manager dictating how things are done. Instead, everyone contributes to maintaining a secure, fair space where rules are agreed upon by all. Shopping mall versus bullet train. Ethereum, with its wide array of dApps, is like a popular mall offering numerous services under one roof. In contrast, Binance Smart Chain is akin to a bullet train service, offering efficiency and speed for those who need quick and cost-effective solutions. Step-by-step look at how blockchain platforms work. 1. Conceptualization and design. Before any platform can be used, it must be carefully designed. Developers outline the platform's rules, the types of transactions it will support, and how smart contracts will operate. This is similar to planning a new community center, deciding on its layout, the facilities it will offer, and the rules for its use. 2. Building and testing. Once the design is complete, developers start building the platform. They rigorously test it to ensure that every function works as intended. Think of this stage as constructing and then inspecting a new building to make sure it's safe for public use. 3. Deployment. After thorough testing, the platform is launched, allowing developers to begin building decentralized applications on top of it. This is like opening the doors of your community center for everyone to use. From this point, the platform becomes a live environment where transactions occur and smart contracts are executed. 4. Ongoing maintenance and upgrades. The work doesn't stop at deployment. Just like any public facility, blockchain platforms require ongoing maintenance, updates, and upgrades to remain secure and efficient. This continuous improvement ensures that the platform adapts to new challenges and user needs over time. Real-world impact and future trends. Blockchain platforms are not only changing how developers build applications, they're also impacting everyday life. From secure voting systems to transparent supply chains, these platforms offer solutions that make our daily interactions more secure and efficient. Imagine a future where buying groceries, signing contracts, or even voting in an election is handled with the same trust and transparency as using a well-designed app on your smartphone. The trend is clear. As blockchain platforms continue to evolve, we can expect them to become even more user-friendly, scalable, and integrated into our daily lives. New innovations will likely lead to platforms that can handle more transactions, offer improved security features, and facilitate even greater interoperability among different systems. This means a future where technology works seamlessly in the background, empowering individuals and communities worldwide. Conclusion today. We explored the fascinating world of blockchain platforms. We learned that these platforms serve as the foundation for decentralized applications, much like an operating system supports the apps on your smartphone. We examined how Ethereum paved the way with its versatile smart contract functionality, while Binance Smart Chain offers a fast and efficient alternative. We also touched on other platforms like Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot, each with its own unique advantages. By using relatable examples, whether it's comparing blockchain platforms to community centers, shopping malls, or bullet train services, we've made it clear that these complex systems are built on simple, understandable principles. Blockchain platforms empower both developers and users by ensuring security, transparency, and decentralization, paving the way for a more connected and innovative future. Thank you for joining me in this lecture. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of what blockchain platforms are and why they are vital to the future of technology. Stay tuned for the next lecture in our blockchain course, where we'll continue to unlock the potential of decentralized systems and explore future trends that are shaping our digital world. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Edutube for more engaging, beginner-friendly content on blockchain technology. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, every great innovation starts with a strong foundation. Happy learning, and see you in the next lecture.